In this video, I will show you how you can connect your keyboard and your mouse to your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, as you can see over here, I have a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard. But in this video, I will also tell you how you can connect your wired mouse and your wired keyboard with your Galaxy S26. Now to start, just open the Settings app on your Samsung phone, and from here just tap on Connections, then tap on Bluetooth. Now just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your Samsung phone, and after you've done that, just grab one of your Bluetooth devices. For example, I'll grab the Bluetooth mouse, and from here just turn on your Bluetooth mouse and enter it into pairing mode. Now after you enter your mouse into pairing mode, then tap on Scan over here, and the name of your Bluetooth mouse will appear under Available Devices. Now just tap on the name of your Bluetooth mouse and select Pair. Now after you do that, you will pair your Bluetooth mouse with your Samsung phone. Now to pair your keyboard with your phone, in the same way, just grab your Bluetooth keyboard and turn it on. After you turn it on, just tap on Scan one more time, and the name of your keyboard will appear on the screen. Just tap on it and select Pair. Now after you do that, you will pair your Bluetooth mouse and your keyboard with your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, if you have a wired mouse or a wired keyboard and if you want to pair it with your Samsung phone, then in that case, you will need a USB Type-C to a USB hub. Now after you get this connector, just connect the USB Type-C end to your phone and connect your wired mouse and your wired keyboard to any of the ports available over here. As you can see, this extension has two USB-A ports, an HDMI port, two USB Type-C ports, and a full-size SD card slot and a micro SD card slot. Just connect your wired mouse or your wired keyboard to any of these ports, and by doing that, your wired mouse and your wired keyboard will be connected to your phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.